Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to actually run your Postman request on Newman Runner and actually use Allure reports as the listener, and you can see the results. So I have my RESTful Booker endpoint here. You can find it in restfulbooker.heroquab.com. So I've come to Postman, written the tests in Postman. So example is for checking the status code, checking the booking ID, checking booking ID details, and just checking booking dates. If I run this on Postman, as you can see, my test results pass, 200, everything has passed. So now I want to use this using Newman Runner. So I'll go to my collection and export, and export my collection. So I've already done that. So I've exported to my PC. It's here in my directory called RESTful in this folder. This is a JSON. This is the collection. So what do you need first? So first you need to have Node and npm installed. So I assume you have already installed this, but you can Google how to install Node and npm. So just to confirm if you have installed Node or npm, just do Node version to show you the Node version that you have, and the npm version, since Newman Runner is usually built on top of Node, so you need Node.js installed in your system. So I've already installed all of them. So to install Newman Runner, so basically you do npm install g Newman. So if you run this, Newman will be installed in your system. So for me, I've already installed it. So after you've installed it, you just now do Newman version, and it will show you the Newman version that you have in your system. Now you need a listener for your Newman. So you need, for this case, we'll be using Allure. So you need to install the Newman Allure report. So you do npm install g Newman reporter Allure. So if you run this, it will install the Newman Allure reporter. I've already installed it, but I can still run it. It will check. So it has installed it, and if I want to check if it has installed, I can say npm list g depth Newman reporter Allure. So if I run that, I'll see if the Newman reporter 2.40 has been installed successfully. Now I want to run my collection using Newman. So I'll just go to my collection, cd, it's under users, Ryson downloads RESTful, which is my folder. So let's go into that folder. Now let me run my collection. So Newman run RESTful booker.postman collection.json. So I'll run this first of all. So if I run it, no such file. I think I've written the wrong way, so it's RESTful, not testful. So if I run that, it will start my tests for that endpoint. So as you can see, it has passed. Status code is 200, booking ID is present and not null. So all of my tests are passed. Now I want to use this using Allure. So I'll just I run the same request, Newman run my collection, then add reporter R is Allure. So if I run that, as you can see, it has run and it has generated an Allure results folder in my folder. Now I'll just come and now use Allure serve Allure results, so that this generates a report. So if I do this, says, oh, I've used server, not serve. So Allure serve Allure results. So it will generate a report. Done. And as you can see, generated 934. It's 934. And if I click on this, let me just expand this. My create booking endpoint, I can see all my tests has passed. Code is 200. Everything has passed. The response that I got, and my test script that I had written in my Postman. So basically that's it. That's how you generate Allure reports using Newman Runner, and you can do this on your Postman collections to see the results using Allure. Cool. That's it. Please subscribe, guys.